You gotta come over and have one. A little coffee, a little chocolate cookie. Wow, amazing.
Hi, I'm Christina Vanti. Welcome to my kitchen. It is the holidays, and today I'm going to share with you how I make my grandmother's authentic Italian chocolate cookies. They are to die for. They have all the flavors of the holidays: nutmeg, allspice, cinnamon, and Grandma used to throw in a little bit of brandy, and that is the secret ingredients to making these cookies amazing. I love them. They're great. You're going to enjoy them, so check it out. Here are the dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, allspice, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, nutmeg. So we're mixing the dry ingredients. So nice, all of that yummy extra dark cocoa powder. Did you know that dark chocolate is high in antioxidants? It actually has a higher antioxidant value than blueberries. Now, am I saying eat chocolate over blueberries? No, I am not. I am just telling you a little nutrition tidbit. Organic sugar, organic brown sugar, coconut oil, eggs, butter, and brandy. I'm going to put it on my mixer. Here we go. And I'm just going to cream together the wet ingredients quickly. I love my mixer. It's so easy. I'm just going to add one little bit at a time of the dry ingredients until it all gets nicely combined. Boy, I can smell that brandy. For those of you who like a little bit more brandy in your Christmas cookie, feel free to add a little bit more. I did 1/4 cup, but you can always put more. So I've got all the wet ingredients combined. It's looking good. Oh my gosh, what is going on? This is one of my very bestest friends on the planet, Leilani McKnight. Oh my gosh, look, what are you doing?
We're gonna make cookies.
We are. Oh my gosh,
This is your Christmas
look at
gift.
this. I love it. Oh my good. She's got the cutest gingerbread lady with little peppermints. Even Luca's over here. Okay, this is so cute. Hi, Luca. Okay, I love this. I'm gonna put this on. All right, this is the cutest. And look at what okay, this is a whole other thing happening. No, don't cut, this is exciting. These are the moms to my godchildren, okay? So God blessed me and allowed me to be a mother in some form, and that is being the godmother to this woman's little boy and this woman's little girl. And these godchildren are my babies. I love them, and I love to spoil them, and I love to pray for them, and I love to speak into their life, and I even prayed for them to be born, and they're both here, right?
Yes, she's powerful.
Oh, God is good. God is faithful. Okay, so we're making Christmas cookies. Listen, I've got the wet ingredients mixed. I've got the dry. We've got to get going because we have to leave in like an hour. The story of our lives. Here we go. So I'm just going to finish mixing this. Leilani, can you just make sure that this is nice and stirred, and you're going to get ready with the nuts. Okay, we're going to give Calissa the nuts. Look at these. I don't want to put my dirty hands on these on the cute gingerbread lady.
She has hands.
She has hands. She's got a little mistletoe and holly. Okay. I think we could do, yeah, let's do 2 cups of it, and then we'll put the KitchenAid mixer on and just see how it goes. It's working out nicely.
It's so Christmassy in here.
I know. Oh, thank you. I love Christmas. Okay, can I have another cup? Oh, look at this. It's looking so chocolatey. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm getting excited now. This is your husband's favorite cookie, at least that I make, right?
Yes.
Remember when I brought these to you guys?
She brought them to us and carried it on a plane on her lap.
I had to deliver the cookies.
She did.
Oh, that's the fun about baking and cooking, really, is you do it for other people. You do it because you love people and you want to share All right, so we have the dough, Leilani. We're gonna add the walnuts. What do you think? Should we add the walnuts? I think we're gonna add the walnuts. Okay, so go ahead and you can pour them in one at a time, and I've already got my hands in there. Well, no, I mean a little bit at a time. Sorry, I'm just kidding. So yeah, no, I would just pour them in little bits at a time, like whatever, half the bowl. Thank you, honey. And then I'll just be mixing in with my hands. Yeah, sprinkle in while I try to, yeah. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow, I used dark cocoa powder this time. They're beautiful. Yeah, that's nice, right? I like the nuts in this cookie. And we're almost there. We're just gonna roll them out, cut them up, put them on a cookie sheet. My grandmother's recipe. It's been handed down from Sicilian grandmother to Sicilian grandmother. Yeah, I think it's a popular Italian cookie. Here's the thing, my grandmother did not want us to learn Italian, speak Italian. She was not hip on that because when she first came to the US and my grandfather, the Italians were not the most popular group. And so she felt ashamed a bit. Then she didn't want her kids to be treated badly or, so she didn't want them speaking Italian. Anyways, but I would love to know what these are called in Italian. Her name, Rosemary. Isn't that the sweetest? Rosemary. Yeah, there you go. All right, I'm just gonna take a clump of it. You wanna take a clump too, and we can each make our own thing. So now, oh, this looks so good. And I can smell the brandy. It smells and feels like Christmas.
When did you put the brandy in?
Oh, you missed it earlier.
Okay.
Before you got here, I already had mixed all the wet ingredients. Yeah. So here's one ball. Okay. Isn't that so simple? Look, that's how you do it. Yeah, just make one like that. Just like a little log. And if you can make a bunch of these, I'll get a knife and I'll get the cookie sheet and we will put these in the oven. I've got the cookie sheet here. I've preheat the oven to 325. So once Leilani makes the rest, make as many as you can with the dough. Keep going. You're doing so good. This is awesome.
I passed.
Yeah, you passed. You're so cute. Yes, yes, yes. I've got my spatula. I'm just so ready to get these cookies out of the oven. I need a knife. Okay. 2 fingers. Yeah. Yay, Merry Christmas. Isn't it fun? I love cooking. Okay, good. And then all we need to do is roll them into ball and put them on the baking sheet. It's ungreased. It just needs an ungrease. We have enough coconut oil in here and vegan butter that we do not need to grease the cookie sheet. See, if we all lived in the same city, we could do a cooking show and Calissa could direct and produce it. All right, so we got it down. You just wanna pat it and roll it. And when you do this with your friends, you will laugh a lot because cooking with your friends is funny. Okay. So we ready? What's happening? Okay.
Look at what I found from Leilani's baby shower. I think it's just like we were supposed to pop it when she popped it, but maybe we should pop it now.
So let's open that up. Calissa's gonna have herself a little glass of Prosecco while we finish the cookies. Right, they're going in the oven for 15 minutes at 325. I've got mine in there. Leilani, she's coming in.
Little bit of both.
Yeah. Good luck.
Okay.
All right. So we're just gonna make a simple frosting for the cookies.
Okay.
All right. So you could do it since you came to visit me.
Yeah, I'll do it.
So I have 2 cups of powdered sugar and 1/4 cup of soy milk, believe it or not. But you could
soy
use
milk.
Yeah. You could use regular milk or water. What do you use when you do it?
Just water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just threw in vanilla soy milk.
So do I
for
just
some fun?
Just put it in?
Yeah, just pour it in.
Just all at once, right?
Yeah. And then I just mix it. And then really with frosting, if it's too thin, you add more powdered sugar. If it's too thick, you can add more liquid until you get your desired consistency. And you are good at this. When's the last time you made cookies?
Oh, last Monday.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
What did you
we
make?
Made, just chocolate chip
Yum.
and what are they called? Not ginger snaps, snickerdoodles.
Oh, yummy.
Yes,
Okay, I
yes.
want to make those. That's probably one of my very favorite cookies, is
Really?
snickerdoodle.
Snickerdoodle?
More than chocolate chip. Yeah, I love snickerdoodles. So good. So now these Italian chocolate cookies are ready to frost. We've baked them. I'm just gonna dip them head first. You could do it all kinds of different ways. You can take a piping bag. Or you can just spread the frosting on with a knife. I just like to do it this way. And then once the frosting, it's gonna slide off. It's gonna look a little clear. So make sure you have a nice cookie rack. Beautiful. You can use a lot less frosting and you can make it thinner, and that obviously is going to reduce calories per cookie. So, and then we're going to put some beautiful sprinkles. So fun. All right, so I have red for Christmas, I've got multicolored, I've got green, and of course some little chocolate ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sprinkle one row of chocolate. They look amazing. And you want to sprinkle it while the frosting is still obviously damp. A little bit of green sprinkles for Christmas. Green and red, so fun. So cute. Our last little row, and then I'm going to immediately sprinkle it. Go a little bit of chocolate sprinkles. These cookies really do taste like Christmas with the brandy and I believe I have nutmeg and cinnamon in here. I mean, it's just so good. Here they are, my Italian chocolate cookies. Merry Christmas. It's a Merry Christmas, all right. Oh my God. You gotta come over and have one. A little coffee, a little chocolate cookie. Wow, amazing.
Remember to like, save, share, and that you are deeply loved by God.